Today we're getting ready to test a brand new RCLM BE class. This one happens to be going out to Ellen from Massachusetts. Today we're going to be mostly demonstrating the capabilities of the slopes as well as its cutting strength as far as the hybrid system goes. So let's give it a shot. This is just its low speed mode. It's very easy to maneuver. It's going to just give a general function test on flat, make sure everything's working right before we start stressing the system. As you can see, I have great control over the unit. I'm going to kick it into high speed. It's great for covering large amounts of area in a very little bit of time. Unit's functioning very well, so I'm going to take it over onto the hill now. It's about a 30-degree slope. It's a little wet, so it may slide a little bit. I'm going to take it into this thick grass over here. As you can see, it's about as tall as the mower is, so about 2 feet. Lots of cutting power with this hybrid system. Try to avoid the garbage. What's nice about the RCLMs is you can cut all the way up to a pole or any other kind of object. Because there's no tracks on the side, so just demonstrate that here for you. Get right up against the pole. The last thing to check is just the gas engine shut off. This unit's working very, very nicely, and it's basically doing everything that it's supposed to. So I think Ellen's going to be very happy up there in Massachusetts.